can't believe what I just discovered deep inside this forest. An abandoned Lamborghini, forgotten by the world. I can't believe what I just found deep inside this forest. An abandoned...
Look at this mess, moss everywhere, and the paint destroyed by years of neglect.
Opening the door feels like stepping into the past. Dust, silence, and memories of better days.
The seats are torn, the dashboard is cracked, and junk is everywhere. This car has truly been left behind. This place is no home for a legend like this, and not. It's time to call for help and bring this Lamborghini back to life.
I made the call for help, when this car deserves a second chance at life.
The rescue mission begins. Step by step, we prepare to pull this forgotten legend out of the forest.
Watching it rise feels emotional, as if the car itself is leaving behind years of silence and decay.
The journey to restoration begins, from the wild forest to a place where miracles happen. This road leads to a new future, where rust will turn into shine and damage into beauty. We finally arrive at the restoration studio, the place where broken machines are given a new soul.
This is where the transformation begins. A team of experts ready to bring this Lamborghini back to life.
Carefully, we unload the car. Every move feels like the first step toward redemption.
Positioned on the lift, the real work can finally begin.
The first wash reveals the true shape beneath the dirt, as if the car is taking its first breath in years.
With every rinse, the true surface begins to emerge, cleaner, brighter, and full of promise.
Inside the cabin, years of dust disappear, revealing the heart of this forgotten machine.
Every scrub removes another memory of neglect, turning damage into hope.
With the steering and panels removed, the car stands completely exposed. Nothing is hidden now, and the true condition of this...
The dashboard comes out, exposing the hidden systems inside this broken machine. Every wire tells a story of damage. The seats come out first, making space for a complete transformation from the inside out. The heart of the car is lifted for the first time in years. This engine carried power and speed, and now it waits for rebirth on the workshop floor.
Surrounded by experts, the engine becomes the center of attention. Every bolt and every surface will be carefully examined and prepared for a new beginning.
Borescope shows significant carbon tracking on cylinder 4.
Can you zoom in on the honing pattern?
I'm lifting the sample now.
Piece by piece, the damaged parts are replaced with new strength. Every movement brings this engine closer to life again, restoring the power it once had.
Years of grease and dust disappear with every wipe. The engine slowly transforms from broken metal into a clean and powerful machine again.
With each bolt tightened, the engine comes back together. What was once silent now stands ready to breathe again.
The final cleaning reveals the true beauty of the engine. Every surface shines like new, showing the result of patience and precision.
The polishing machine brings out a brilliant glow. This engine is no longer broken or forgotten.
The engine now stands complete, shining life new once again. This powerful heart is ready to...
The old wheels come off, showing the damage left behind by years of neglect. These worn parts will soon be replaced with something strong and new. These tires have reached the end of their journey. Every cut removes another piece of the past, preparing the rims for a fresh beginning. As the rust fades away, the rims begin to shine again. What once looked ruined now shows signs of beauty and strength.
A fresh coat of paint transforms the rims completely. From rusted metal to luxury finish, these wheels are ready.
The same Lamborghini remains under repair as the freshly painted gold rims are carefully inspected. The car is still brilliant. Detailing the gold rims takes patience and care. While the Lamborghini still looks worn and damaged,
The same Lamb remains under restoration as the worn-out seats are taken out. The interior is stripped down, preparing the car for its next transformation step.
The old seat covers of the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini are badly torn and useless. Years of neglect have destroyed the interior fabric completely.
New seat covers are carefully installed for the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini, bringing comfort back to an interior that was once ruined.
The restored seats stand proudly next to the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini, showing the first real sign of interior revival. Before painting, damaged panels of the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini are repaired with body filler to restore its broken shape.
Each repaired section of the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini is fanded carefully, preparing the body for a fresh coat of paint.
The same Lamborghini receives its new red paint, bringing life back to a body that once faded away in the forest. The Saab Surf stickers return to the same red Lamborghini, restoring its game-style identity while the journey toward full restoration continues. With the body painted and stickers restored, the gold rims are now ready. They wait beside the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini for their turn to return.
Every rim is inspected carefully, shining with fresh gold paint and ready to support the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini once again.
The same Lamborghini is reviewed after paint and stickers, still incomplete but finally showing its true identity again.
Now the next step begins, as the team prepares to install the gold rims onto the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini.
Steady, just a little bit left.
Got it.
All right, that's seated.
It finally stands on its own. The contrast is
The
perfect.
paint job is flawless. It practically glows.
Yeah.
Those gold rims were definitely the right choice.
The gold looks incredible against the red.
Best set we've done yet.
We really upheld the classic Restore Hub standard on this one.
Absolutely, it's flawless.
The restored seats return to the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini, bringing comfort back to a once forgotten interior.
Inside, the same Lamborghini now feels alive again, rebuilt with care and precision. Every detail is checked carefully as the same Lamborghini reaches the final stage of restoration.
From rust and ruin to beauty and power, the same red Saab Surf Lamborghini stands reborn. Every angle tells a story of patience, skill, and revival.
This journey ends with pride as the same Lamborghini shines once more.
Thanks for watching this incredible transformation. Subscribe, like, and join us for the next restoration journey.